our last functional group that we're going to talk about is ether. Ethers are interesting functional groups, and you're going to see how they're kind of related to alcohols a little bit with the oxygen presence, but ethers are pretty straightforward. One of my favorite movies is Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. If you can find this clip, great. Don't recommend it, but it's a great Johnny Depp video, Benicio del Toro there as well. It's based on the life and times of Hunter S. Thompson. But in this, they are sniffing ether, at least a certain type of ether, which used to have, again, people used to do this, but it has kind of an intoxicating effect. Not something I would recommend, obviously. But ethers, what ethers are they're characterized, you take that oxygen atom and you put it into the middle of a carbon chain. How we name these things is pretty straightforward. It's named by locating the longest carbon chain and then naming the other chain first, putting oxy on the end, and then the long chain. So you can see this structure that's on the slide here. The longest chain is 2 carbons long. So that's F. They're combined in a single bond, so it's ane. So ethane is the longest chain. The other chain has got the methyl group here. So 1 carbon here. So we go meth, oxy, ethane would be the name of this compound. And again, this is an ether. Ethers are used in laboratory settings and things like that. They're strong solvents. And if you go on and take some college chem, you'll probably be using some of them. Some of them are kind of dangerous. Now, here we go. Naming these is pretty straightforward. So draw, prop, oxy, butane. Start with the butane first. But, how many carbons is that? Ane, is that single, double, or triple bonds? Then you got another carbon chain, prop. Oxy would be the oxygen separating them out. Pause the video right now. Draw, prop, oxy, butane. All right, hopefully we're back. Here it is here, prop, oxy, butane. Again, butane, 4 carbons, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the butane here. Prop, 1, 2, 3. And then the oxy separates the 2 chains. Prop, oxy, butane. All right, there's lots of practice for you to do this week in your warm-up. But again, we've just looked at halogen functional groups, alcohol functional groups, and ethers. All right, thanks.